Hey there, composters. Today we're talking about bin maintenance and how to keep your black earth composting bin bug, animal, and odor free. Let's start in the kitchen. To prevent fruit flies, wash your composting tin regularly. Lining your bin in BPI certified compostable bags will help contain the composting process. Black Earth provides bags to fit bins and most countertop containers for purchase. It can be helpful to freeze your compost to prevent fruit flies and odors. Meat products can be wrapped in newspaper, frozen, and then added to your bin. Cooking oils and food liquids can be stored in plastic containers just outside of your bin for collection. Please put solidified oil directly into the bag and into your bin. Do not use glass or other breakable materials to store liquids. Textile recycling items can be put in a bag outside of your bin. These must be marked with a purchased Black Earth sticker. Compostable bags can leak over time and make a mess of your bin. It may be helpful to line 13-gallon bags with paper bags. Before setting your bin curbside, tie your bag. Pure baking soda can help prevent bugs, animals, and odors. You may add chili powder onto the lid to deter persistent critters. Loose materials such as ash, sawdust, or pet bedding make a mess. Be kind to your compost pickup driver and bag these items. If your bin gets really nasty, wash it out with water. And even though your bin looks great with a tan, it's better to store it in a garage, underneath a tree, or out of direct sunlight. This slows the composting process until it reaches our pile. Reinforcing your lid will prevent clever animals from opening it. You can construct your own system with a bungee cord or clip, or you could purchase a proper lid strap online. Many of your fellow composters have come up with creative ways to keep their bins odor, animal, and insect free. We encourage you to think outside of the bin. Who knows? Maybe your bin will be in one of our future videos. The most important thing is to love your bin. Take care of it, and together you will compost happily for many years. Please visit blackearthcompost.com for more information about bin maintenance, what's compostable, and frequently asked questions. Thank you for watching. We hope this information is helpful. Happy composting!